Hello everybody, how's it going? Welcome to Blogger Maniac. We are going to see in this video about how to manifest or how to visualize. There are 4 steps to get what you want. According to Rev Ike in his book Thinkonomics, I'm going to resume these steps to manifest. Okay? Let's see.
This is the future.
Decide it, believe it, see it, and feel it. Okay? This free ebook resume what is visualized. Decide is what you want. What do I want? Or what do you want? What do you want? What do you want to be? What do you want to have? And what do you want to do? So when you decide it, write it down. Okay? Number 2. Believe it. You have to believe it. That is possible in your life. Reverend Ike said, when you believe in yourself, you become unstoppable. So, you have to believe. See it. See it in your mind. You must see the goals you have set for yourself. Use your imagination to see your dreams and lofty inspiration. So, if you want to have a business, okay, you have to say yourself at the boss behind your desk. Visualize the carpeting on the floor, the window, the wonderful view of the city. See the comfortable chairs and picture yourself holding a conference with another business executive. Visualize your bank account and go on. Okay? You have to visualize. You have to see it in your mind. And if you want to have a car, what kind of car do you want? The brand, color, model, year model, how is it, big, small. And number 4, the last step is feel it. See what you want and feel yourself experiencing it, said Rev Ike. If you are going to be a boss, see yourself behind the big boss desk, but you have to feel the arm in your chair, feel the button of your telephone, feel yourself walking on the thick, colorful carpeting, smell the fresh flower, your desk, smell the new office smell. That is a beautiful example, okay? I have another one. If you have to have a car, you have to feel the steering wheel. You have to feel the chair of the car, the smell, brand new car. Here is an example. Get full of the feeling of sitting in the driver's seat and feel the notches behind the steering wheel. Feel yourself driving that car down the street. So that is a beautiful resume about how to manifest or how to visualize according to law of attraction. Reverend Ike said that, or teaching this 4 step to get what you want. But according to a lot of teacher about law of attraction and video of YouTube, this 4 step is a resume about that. I expect that this video you like it, and expect to see you in another video of my channel. I invite you to subscribe my channel, share it, and I see you soon. I hope you have a nice day. Bye bye.